Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the LG TONE Free FP9 True Wireless Earbuds with Enhanced Active Noise Cancellation. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, 179 euros. And if you live in the USA, you can find them on Amazon for 139 bucks. All right, so let's go through all of the specs. Now these come in 3 different colors. You got black, white, and gold. You got Bluetooth version 5.2, and the codecs is SBC and AAC. Now these are IPX4 sweat and water resistant. You got medical grade hyperallergenic ear gels. You got a UV nano charging case, which kills 99% of bacteria on the speaker mesh. Now you got a triple mic setup, so that's going to give you crystal clear phone calls, and you got whispering mode. Now that's a cool feature that I'm going to talk about in a minute. Now you got active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The battery life on these is 6 hours with ANC, 10 hours with ANC off, with a total of 24 hours using the charging case. Now you got an app that's available for Android and iOS, which lets you customize the EQ, change the settings, and you got Find My Buds. Now one of the best features about these earbuds is plug-in wireless. What does that mean, plug-in wireless? With these earbuds, you can plug them directly into a device without using Bluetooth. So say you're on an airplane and you want to watch that in-flight movie, you can plug the case right into the airplane and watch the movie. If you're in the gym, you can plug the case into the treadmill and watch the TV. This is perfect for laptops, gaming consoles. Trust me, this is a dope feature. All right, so let's unbox this and see what it is. Now, on a side note, shout out to LG for sending me these to review. I actually already been using the black ones. And let me say this at the beginning of the video, these are the truth. I love these earbuds. Okay, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Here we go. LG TONE Free FP9s. Okay, true wireless earbuds with enhanced active noise cancellation. Let's see, did I miss anything? Okay, so we got Meridian technology. All right, so that's going to give you hi-fi sound. Let's see, flex action bass. Okay, IPX4 sweat and water resistant. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay, now this is the gold color. Here we go. Nice clean white box. Giggity. Here it is. These are your earbuds. Now check this out. You see those lights on the inside? That's the UV nano charging case. Like I said, it kills 99%. Let me say that one more time. 99% of bacteria inside of the speaker mesh. Now just in case you can't see in that, I happen to have a UV light right here. This is what it looks like inside of the case. All right, killing all those bacteria. Let's see what else you get. Now this is going to be your charging case, USB Type-C to USB-A. And check this out. Now this is one of the most underrated features of these earbuds, plug-in wireless. Like I said, if you get on an airplane, you can plug this directly into the airplane, the other end into the case, and you can use these without Bluetooth. Okay, so now you don't have to take off your true wireless earbuds when you're on that flight. Now these are your medical grade hyperallergenic ear gels. You got 2 sets in the box and 1 already installed. And of course, usual books and plug them and follow them to the side. All right, here we go. Let's a little drop test right here. Let's see how they look. Okay. Bang. There it is. Now I'm really feeling this gold color right here. Let me show you how the black ones look just in case you want to see. There it is. Just like that. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll set everything up. Then we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First, let's take a look at the charging case. Nice and lightweight, made out of plastic. You got Tone branding on the top. USB Type-C charging slot on the back. And this is going to be your plug-in wireless switch. Now, how does this work? Say you get on an airplane and you want to watch the in-flight movie. You're going to plug the USB Type-C cable into the case and the 3.5 side into the airplane. Now you can watch that movie using your true wireless earbuds. Same thing at the gym. Plug it into the treadmill. Plug it into your laptop. Go crazy. Inside the case, you got your UV lights, LED light, That's for your battery and pairing. Real simple and straightforward. Now let's check the strength of the magnets. Minimum shakage. Let's increase to intermediate shakage. Okay, intermediate shakage. So decent strength on the magnets. Now let's take a look at the actual earbuds. Beautiful design. Nice short stems. Right and left branding. But I absolutely love this gold color. Now let's talk about the look, the fit, and the feel. Now I already switched the ear tips to the size that fits me best. Let me go ahead and slap these in. Once you put them in your ears, you're going to feel that noise isolation kick in. And they fit nice and snug. Very comfortable. All right, so let's do the head shake test. I'm going to start with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Intermediate shakage. No movement. Maximum shakage. No movement at all, so these would be perfect to wear at the gym. Now let me show you how they're going to look. Nice and sleek. And like I said, I love this gold color. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open up the case, they'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the LG tones. Next thing you want to do is download the app. Now this is available for Android and iOS. It shows the name of your earbuds. You got a picture of your earbuds. You got the battery percentage for the earbuds and the case. Now you got your user's manual. You got your EQ settings. So you got immersive, natural, bass boost, treble boost, and 3D sound. Now you also have a custom EQ. Play with it for yourself. I'm going to leave mine on bass boost. Now you got your ambient sound controls. So you have noise cancellation. You can turn it off. Or you have ambient sound mode. You got auto play and pause. This way, when you're wearing the earbuds, if you take one out, it'll automatically pause the music. Put them back in, your music will start playing by itself. Now I like to leave that off. You got your touchpad lock. So say you're in the gym and you're constantly fumbling around with your earbuds, turn on touchpad lock, and this way you won't accidentally play or pause your music. Okay, so you got your touchpad settings. So you can customize your play and pause, volume up and down, skip and reverse tracks. Now you got your Tone Free Lab. You can activate game mode. That's going to put it in low latency. And you have whispering mode. Now, what is whispering mode? Say you happen to be sitting in the library wearing your earbuds and you want to have a conversation and you don't want to yell, or you're sitting somewhere and you don't want everybody to hear your conversation. While you got one earbud in your ear, the other one you're going to hold in your hand and use as a microphone. So you put it right to your lips and you can just whisper and have that conversation, and the person is still going to hear you fine. That is a nice feature, whispering mode. Okay, so you got your voice alert settings. You can have the earbuds read your text messages and your emails. You got Find My Buds. If you drop them, you can play a sound from the left or the right earbud. And you got your software update, privacy policy, open source license, and intelligent sorting. Simple and straightforward. One more thing I wanted to mention, the app works exactly the same on iOS. Now let's do a sound test. And I already know these sound good because I've been using the black ones, but let's test out the gold ones just for fun. Now I got a classic song queued up. We got the Mary J. Blige Be Happy remix. I'm going to start off at max volume, EQ set to bass boost, and active noise cancellation turned on. Okay, here we go. Birdman hands rubbing together. I promise y'all I'm not going to sing, but I got my microphone just in case. One tap to play the music. Here we go. All right. Nice and loud. Crystal clear. To the beat. Just clap your hands to the beat. Here we go. How can I love somebody else if I can't love myself enough to know? Woo! That beat. Time to let go. Saying all I really want is to be happy. Find a love that's mine. It would be so sweet. All I really want is to be happy. Find a love that's mine. It would be so sweet. I ask for a sign from the sweet Lord above. I answer is in front of me. But when you think you're in love, you only see what you wanna see. And all I see is me for you, and you for me. Let's go. All right, hold on. One tap to pause the music again? Okay. These sound great. Okay? Now, like I said, I've been using the black ones already, so I already knew this. I just wanted to give y'all my little rendition of the Mary J. Blige Happy remix. I love these, okay? These sound dope. The price is right. Let's keep it moving. Now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the charging case? So if you notice, it says LG Tone. They're still connected. I'm gonna drop them in the case, close it up, wait for it to fully disconnect. All right, here we go. Let's open them up. One Mississippi. Wow, one Mississippi. That's amazing. Now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Okay, so I got the music playing. Let's take out the left side, drop it in the case, hit play on the music. The right side is playing. Let's put the left side back in. Wait for it to reconnect. Okay, just like that. Now let's put the right side in. Let's hit play on the music. The left side is playing. So this is dope. You can play music from either earbud while the other one is charging up in the case, basically doubling your battery life. Now let's check the touch controls. And keep this in mind, you can customize these using the app. But here's how I got mine set up. On the right earbud, single tap for play and pause. That'll also answer and end phone calls. Okay, there it is. Double tap on the right earbud to raise the volume. Okay, went up. Double tap on the left earbud to lower the volume. Okay, went down. Triple tap on the right earbud to skip to the next song. There it is. Triple tap on the left earbud to go to the previous track. Okay, now if I long press on the right earbud, that'll cycle between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm calling Amaya. Yeah. Hi, girlie. All right, what's up? You driving to practice? Okay, check this out. I'm testing out some new earbuds. How do I sound? Give me your honest opinion. Sounds really clear? Okay, now check this out. I want to try out this new feature. All right, watch this. All right, hold up. I'm going to turn on whisper mode. Now, check this out. Now, can you hear me? I know, I'm saying, so would you be able to have a conversation with me like this? Oh, it's very clear like this? Okay, this is called whisper mode. So say like I'm in a library. I got one earbud in my hand and I'm talking into it like a little microphone. Yeah, like say you're in the car with Mom Dukes and you want to spill some tea. You could just, right now I'm covering up my mouth and I'm just like whispering into the actual earbud. But you hear me perfectly fine. That's a dope feature. Hold on. All right, let me put the earbud back in. Yo, that is pretty dope. That's pretty dope. All right, I just put it back in my ears. All right, I turned it off. That is a dope feature. All right, so these are going to be the tea earbuds. All right, when you need to spill a tea, throw these on. All right, so don't let me keep you on the phone while you're driving. Call me when you get out of practice. All right, bye. Okay. These earbuds are dope. Okay, call quality, crystal clear. She heard me fine. I heard her fine. But the whispering mode, I love that. So basically, I had one earbud in my ear, and I had my hand covering my mouth, like if I was in a restaurant and I wanted to say something about somebody sitting right next to me, and I was whispering right into the earbud, and she heard me perfectly fine. Now, normally, she only likes AirPods, but after she heard this feature just now, she was like, oh, I need a set of these. And luckily for me, I have two. Let's keep it moving. Now let me show you one of my favorite features of these earbuds, plug-in wireless. Now say you want to connect to an airplane, a video game console, a treadmill, or a laptop. Here's all you got to do. Now I'm going to play some music. I'm going to plug in the 3.5 right into the laptop, USB Type-C into the back of the case. We're going to switch over to plug-in wireless. Let's put the earbuds in. Okay, now let's get maximum volume. Okay. Now the music is playing through the earbuds. Now I'm going to take it out so y'all can hear it. That's the music from the earbuds. This is so sick. Now when you travel, you can watch that in-flight movie from your true wireless earbuds. This is a major, major, major go. Now I did the Bluetooth range test. I walked all the way to 50 feet, no drop connection at all. Then I wanted to check for latency, so I turned on gaming mode. I watched some Netflix, some YouTube, some Amazon Prime, and I played a few games. No lag when you're watching your videos or gaming. Now let's talk about transparency mode and active noise cancellation. As far as transparency mode, these work flawlessly. Okay, so if you're walking around at night or you're in the house and you got little kids or you're at work and you want to have a conversation with one of your coworkers, you don't have to take the earbuds out to have a conversation. Turn on transparency mode, you'll be able to talk and hear your own voice and hear the other person with your earbuds in. Now for active noise cancellation, y'all know I got 3 tiers. We got trash tier, okay tier, and top tier. I'm ranking these at top tier noise cancellation, right on par with the price. And what makes top tier noise cancellation? When you put these on and you turn on ANC, you don't hear music in the background, you don't hear the kids crying, you don't hear the rumble of your engine. These are easily top tier noise canceling earbuds. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the LG Tone Free UFP9s a major, major, major go. And in this day and age, with all these viruses floating around, having hypoallergenic ear tips and being able to kill 99% of bacteria in the speaker mesh is an absolute win. These earbuds look great, they fit perfectly, they're water resistant, you got excellent call quality with whisper mode, I love that feature. You got fully customizable touch controls. I love having an EQ so you can customize your sound. The battery life is insane. You got quick charge. You got plug-in wireless. That feature is so clutch if you travel. But most importantly, the sound. These sound great. All right. Excellent highs and mids, crystal clear, deep punchy bass. And like I said, play with the EQ settings for yourself and get your personal sound. These are a triple major go. Anyway, LG Tone Free UFP9s. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.